Welcome, great minds, to another fun and informative social studies lesson with Mrs. Turner-Whyte. Enjoy! Quick disclaimer before I get into today's session. Today, I have a few of my students on who will be sharing their perspectives on a text that they were reading in class. Before I share the footages with you, consent was given to me by their parents to do so. The question that they'll be answering is, what do they think the following statement means? The more money we keep out of the pockets of some of these businesses, the more we do for our planet. Now, let us hear their interpretation of this statement. So, boys and girls, you are going to read the question for part 1. All right? Read the questions again.
A sentence from source 1 says the more money we keep out of our pockets, the more we can do for the planet. What does the author mean by the statement?
All right. So what does the more money we keep out of these big business pockets is the more we do for our planet. All right? So who wants to answer that question? What does that mean, that statement mean? Here, 6 students raised their hands, but only 2 answered. All right, go.
What does the author mean by that is we give most of our monies to the factories that produce goods that can hurt the environment because they are burning fossil fuels that emit into the air that causes greenhouse gases like nitrogen, which goes up into the atmosphere, which puts a blanket around the world, which stops sunlight from going in.
All right, I get you. All right, who else? Who wants to go next? All right, go Samir.
Yes, okay. So the more that we spend on these big businesses and the more that we put into their pockets, they will put this money towards the factory, and the factory will produce more stuff for the big businesses, and they will also sell to us. Now, when the factories do provide these stuff for the big businesses, they will be burning fossil fuels, which can also contribute to the greenhouse effect. And when this happens, we will be also endangering the environment.
All right, very good. We'll also endanger the environment. You want to try? No? Great minds, we've come to the end of another fun and informative session with Mrs. Turner-Whyte. But before you go, I want to hear your perspective. I want to hear your view on this PEP performance task question. The more money we keep out of the pockets of some of these businesses is the more we do for our planet. What does this mean to you? What is your perspective? You can leave your answer in the comment section or discuss with your teacher. See you later. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more lessons with Mrs. Turner-Whyte.